Stand your brother up. Stand him up. Put him more towards the middle.
Yeah, come here.
Go with your brother. Bounce, Eli.
Jump,
Keep him. Jump, Eli. Now throw yourself. Go jump on him, Eli. Get him.
Eli.
Go jump. Go. Go. Get away from the net. No. Get away from the net. Go take him to the middle, please. He's too close to the net. I don't want him so close to the net.
Jump. Jump, Eli.
Jump, Eli.
Eli, no. Come jump.
You know, I'm going to push you. 1, 2. Nope. Go. Go.
Come jump, Eli.
Now drop. Hi, Eli.